Exercise 9.1. Question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of tree to the point where top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of tree. कोई ट्री है वो स्टॉर्म के कारण ब्रेक्स हो जाता है और जो उसका ब्रोकन पार्ट है वो बेंड जो हो जाता है सो दैट द टॉप ऑफ ट्री टच द ग्राउंड। जो ट्री का जो टॉप है वो ग्राउंड से टच कर जाएगा और 30 डिग्री का एंगल बनाएगा। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फुट ऑफ ट्री टू द पॉइंट वेयर द टॉप टच द ग्राउंड। ट्री के फुट से जो डिस्टेंस है और पॉइंट जहाँ पे टॉप टच करता है वो डिस्टेंस 8 मीटर है। तो ट्री की हाइट फाइंड आउट करनी है। Let VD be a tree. The distance between B and C, that is H1, and distance between C and D, that is H2. When the tree breaks, the broken part CD take the form of AC. If CD equal to H2, then AC equal to H2. This is 30 degree. Let VD be the position of the tree before storm. The broken part position is CD. After storm, broken part CD take the form of AC. So AC equal to H2, distance VD equal to H1 plus H2, theta equal to 30 degree. In right angle triangle, angle of elevation in this case is 30 degree. In right angle triangle, A, V, C, VC upon AB, that is equal to tan 30 degree. VC, that is H1, AB equal to 8, tan 30 degree, its value is 1 upon square root of 3. After cross multiply, we have square root of 3, H1 equal to 8, H1 equal to 8 upon square root of 3 meter. Now we will find the value of the H2. For that, again in a right angle triangle, ABC, AB upon VC equal to cos 30 degree. We know that cos 30 equal to square root of 3 by 2. The value of AB, that is 8, upon BC value, that is H2 equal to square root of 3 by 2. After cos multiplication we have square root of 3 H2 equal to 2 at the 16, H2 equal to 16 upon square root of 3, H2 equal to 16 upon square root of 13, sorry, H2